Hey guys, it's Hisham, and today is my first ever video for YouTube and for my school community, and I will show you how I integrated Perplexity AI and ChatGPT in Google Sheets. And it's a very easy integration to have, and it will help you be more efficient in your workflow inside of Google Sheets. Let's jump right in. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, I did set up OBS. As you can see, this is my first time ever recording with it, so be patient, please. So let's jump right into the tutorial. So we will begin by getting a Perplexity API key and an OpenAI API key here. I will provide both of these links as I will not explain how to do it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. If you have any question or any problem setting it up, just message me and I will answer you. So let's jump right into the tutorial. I will provide you with a Google Sheet like this that you will only copy, and you will find here in the Getting Started tab the complete guide I will provide here, my YouTube video link, this video that I am recording, the GitHub for this, and also the school um, tutorial for it. And here you will find a config file and an example file of tabs, and I will not show you this tab. I just did copy it so you can see how it is. You will get those two API keys and you will just paste them both here respectively. And yeah, let's start by giving you an example. I created this tab where I told Perplexity AI to give me, for example, the latest news about OpenAI, and it did. And also I used the ChatGPT to summarize this text into 3 bullet points like this. And also using GPT-4, I precised the cell and I summarized the text. And here, for using the Perplexity AI, you will just put a equal sign PPLX. As you will see here, you will have a description for it. You'll just click, and you can click this arrow to have more details. And yeah, the first thing to write here is the prompt. Give Sorry, you just put an apostrophe, you give it the prompt. Give me one fun fact about bananas, let's say. And yeah, and if you want to precise another cell to include into your prompt, you just put semicolons and you precise this cell, for example, A1. For this example, we will not do it. And just to precise the information, the semicolon is for the French version, and for the English version, aka USA and all the other countries, you will need to put only a comma like this. And yeah, let's see the one fun fact about bananas. Yeah, bananas are scientifically classified as berries. Despite common misconceptions, they are not. So yeah, this is just an example on how to use it. And to use the ChatGPT formula, you will just put an equal sign, ChatGPT, and same thing, you will develop this thing, and yeah, you will see all the details here that I will explain in detail in text in the school community and also the GitHub. You will find every detail here, but it's quite simple and straightforward. Here it's the text that will be taken into consideration, aka the cells, or you can just write your text like this. But yeah, for example, if I want to take into consideration first text, the cell E1, I will do this. And also yeah, here text is the cell that contains the text you want. Prompt, the cell that contains your prompt, or you can just write your cell. System prompt, max tokens is 200 by default, and temperature it's 0 by default, and the model chosen, and yeah, it's GPT 3.5 Turbo by default. So yeah, I give you the example right here on how to use it. summarize this text into 3 bullet points. And here I used the GPT-4 model. You can use it by stating GPT-4, sorry. Yeah, well, yeah, you just click it and you will have, wait, yeah. So yeah, you'll have every detail. It's the same as the other prompt of ChatGPT. For our example use case, it's very useful, and I found it useful to use it into sales prospection. And for example, here I drafted some company names, for example, Notion, Canva, Tesla, and in this column I told Perplexity AI to give me, for example, the latest news within 3 weeks of this company, and I precised the cell where the company name is. Here in this case, it's A2, A3, and A4. And yeah, it gave me all the detailed features and news that these companies have made. And also, I told GPT-4 to identify the problems or the pain points that the company might face while using these news. Give me this. And in the column D, I also told GPT-4 to, based on these pain points, what can I offer as an AI developer to solve these problems? Give me the results in 2 to 3 bullet points. And yeah, you can see here develop user friendly interfaces, provide technical support, etc., data migration assistance. And yeah, it's just an example use case for when you will prospect and you will have a list of leads and their company names. You can use this example and it will help you be more efficient in your sales prospection, and it will let you have a higher open rate and higher close rate and having more money. Hope this tutorial was good, and so this is my school community that you will find right in the description, and it's called Byte Brigade, and it's basically a free private group about AI and coding for career growth and for helping professionals to introduce and integrate AI into their current workflows. And it's for now, it's a free access for a limited time. You will have a unlimited lifetime access. If you join right now, it will be capped at 100 free members with lifetime access, and then it will be turned into a paid community. And yeah, I will provide a lot of value in there, and I will have many members and other content creators deliver courses with me and having modules that will really help you integrate AI into your current workflows and be more efficient, more productive, and well, have more money in your pocket. So yeah, I hope this video was good, and as it is my first ever video for YouTube and for the school classroom for Byte Brigade, subscribe and join my school community. Deuces.